Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play games on the Temu shopping app. Playing games in a shopping app might not seem as conventional or traditional, but in the Temu app, if you play games, you can win free rewards, cash credits, discounts, deals, and coupons, and many more things. So to play games in the Temu app, press on the app, and once it opens, go to the search bar and search for the games that are available in your region. For example, one of the games that is available here is called Fishland. If you press on this game, it says get 2 free items for 100% off. That means you can play for free and win 2 free items. You can also search for more games that are available in your region by pressing on the earn free gifts and cash in your profile section. Here it shows how you can play games like redeem cash or Fishland or win 4 freebies, etc. and get multiple rewards and coupons on your product purchase. In this way, you can play games on the Temu app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop us a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.